Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying basics that immediately reveal the problem. Confirm the card is fully inserted, the reader has power, and the card fits the slot. Once done, clean metal contacts with 90% isopropyl and a lint-free swab to remove corrosion or oils, because electrical contact matters. Next, try the card in a different reader or a phone. This isolates whether the issue is the card or the reader. These first actions save time and tell you what to do next. Now you move into diagnostics. Open Device Manager and look for unknown devices or error icons. If present, uninstall the reader driver, restart the computer, and let the OS reinstall it. That often fixes driver corruption. If drivers are current, download the manufacturer's firmware or chipset driver and update the reader. Firmware fixes communication bugs. For storage cards, use disk management to assign a drive letter or run chkdsk to repair file system errors. These steps address software and logical failures. Finish by confirming hardware integrity. Test the reader with a known good card and test the card with a known good external USB reader. If the same device fails across multiple hosts, replace the faulty reader or the card. Hardware failure is the only reason left. If data is critical, image the card immediately to avoid further loss and consult a professional recovery service. If you still see intermittent behavior, try a powered USB hub or a different cable. Power issues often mimic reader failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.